Welcome to Crazy Problems to Easy Solutions. This is Satyapriya, MPhil in Mathematics, and today's topic is relation and function in chapter in the exercise 1.4 in the few problems. Now we are going to see the problems. First one, show that the function f of natural to natural, that means f of n to n we are defined in the natural number, defined by f of x equal to 2x minus 1 is 1 to 1 but not on 2. So we have to prove that for this function is a 1 to 1 but not on 2. First of all, if for all a1 comma a2 is belongs to capital A, so that f of a1 equal to f of a2, which implies that a1 equal to a2, then f is called the 1 to 1 function. Let x comma y is belongs to capital N, that means what, x and y are the natural numbers, then f of x equal to f of y. So we are first initially we are taking a1 a2 is belongs to capital A, so that f of a1 equal to f of a2, now we have to prove that a1 equal to a2, then it is said to be if this a1 and a2 is a one to one function. Later x y we are belongs to taking from natural number, f of x equal to f of y. F of x is a given value 2x minus 1, and then we have to write in the f of y, instead of x you have to replace y, then f of y equal to 2y minus 1. So what is the given, f of a equal to f of a1 equal to f of a2, so here f of x equal to f of y, then f of x value 2x minus 1 equal to 2y minus 1, then 1 get cancelled, even 2x equal to 2y, then x equal to y, 2 get cancelled, hence the function is 1 to 1 function. Next, it is not a onto. So if onto means if a codomain of the function equal to range of the function, so then the function is said to be onto. So if codomain of the function is both is equal to the range of the function, but this is given is the natural number. So if a domain is existing 1 2 3 the natural number, and then even codomain also existing for the natural number, but here even number in the codomain are not associated with elements of domain, hence it is not a onto, because here 2x minus 1 2x, for example we have to apply 2 into 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So in the domain we are getting for all the even numbers. So if you are mapping for all orders numbers, if you are mapping the codomain of the function is not equal to the range of the function, so it is not a onto function. Next one, let a equal to 1 minus 1 comma 1 and b equal to 0 comma 2, if the function f of a to b defined by f of x equal to ax plus b is an onto function, find a and b. So we define this is the onto function. Onto is a given condition, we need to find for the a and b value. What is the given, f of x equal to ax plus b, in that f of x equal to x, right? So we have to apply x equal to minus 1 initially, f of minus 1 equal to a into minus 1 plus b equal to 0, that means minus a plus b equal to 0, and then again we have to apply f of 1, then f of 1 equal to a plus b equal to 2, a plus b equal to 2, this is equation number 1, and equation number 2 we have to add 1 plus 2, then minus a plus b plus a plus b equal to 0 plus 2, a get cancelled, 2b equal to 2 and b equal to 1. By applying the value of b in 1, we get minus a plus 1 equal to 0, then minus a equal to minus 1, then we have to find for a equal to 1. So we find the values of a and b is a 1 and 1 comma 1 respectively. Show that the function f of n to n defined by f of m equal to m square plus m plus 3 is a one to one function. So x and y is a natural number, then it implies f of x equal to f of y. So we have to consider f of m in terms of f of x and f of y. So f of x equal to x square plus x plus 3 and f of y equal to y square plus y plus 3. So equation number 1 and equation number 2 we have to consider if the given condition 1 equal to 2. So that if x square plus x plus 3 equal to y square plus y plus 3, then plus 3 get cancelled, x square plus x equal to y square plus x square minus y square plus x minus x equal to 0. Then we have to apply x square minus y square formula, x plus y into x minus y. Then here x minus y is common, taken the outside, and then remaining x plus y into x plus y plus 1. Then here y and we have to taken go for the right hand side, and then the remaining value x minus y equal to 0 by x plus 1 plus 1. So the answer is become a 0. Then x minus y equal to 0, x equal to y. So we have proved that f of x1 x equal to f of y is a given. Then we proved x equal to y. Then we can say that this function is a one to one function. So thank you for watching in Crazy